What's going on, guys? Welcome to another episode of Texas Brew and Barbecue. I'm Ty Sherrill, your official backyard ambassador for Recteq. Yeah, we're doing a video on queso. So what makes this queso any different than any other queso that you've seen the billions and billions of videos all over YouTube about smoked queso? Well, this is Texas style smoked queso. You want to know what makes it Texas style? Well, Whataburger. That's what makes it Texas style. So we are going to be putting some Whataburger pork sausage in our smoked queso. I'm going to brown this up. We're going to get our ingredients ready and we're going to put it on the RT340. This is what we're doing it on today. The RT340 by Recteq. Go to recteq.com. This is a little beast. This thing will smoke, it'll sear, everything that you want a grill to do, this is the grill to get. I've been waiting to get my hands on this thing just because it folds up, tailgating, camping, it's portable, it's amazing, and you can put a lot of food on that. So, with that being said, let's get this ground up and let's get our ingredients ready to go on the smoker. All of our ingredients are in the skillet. They're ready to go on the Recteq for 30 to 45 minutes at 350. That Recteq is locked in at 350. That's one thing I love about Recteq is they lock in on their temps. They don't fluctuate all over the place. They are there. So, can't be Texas Brew and Barbecue if we don't open a brew. Today we're gonna have a Rahr & Sons Texas Red to go with this queso. That's a good beer. All right, guys, we pulled this beautiful Texas queso off of the Recteq RT340, and this is going to be a hit. It's always a hit. Queso is always a hit, guys. So let's see. Look at this. Let's see how it turned out. Turned out perfect. All right, guys. The recipe's in the description. Only in Texas. That Whataburger sausage gives it a nice kick. The jalapenos added to it. That is some really good queso. Cheers, guys. We'll see you in the next video.